You asked God to use you and then everything started to fall apart. Well, I'm here today to let you know that the breaking that you're experiencing is the process of you becoming. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Spoken Truth Revival. Daniel here, and today we are going to be talking about your becoming, because maybe the storm that you're in right now isn't about breaking you, it's about building you. And God hasn't been trying to destroy you. He has been trying to let you know who you really are and revealing it to you through these trials, through these storms, through these occasions, the things that have been, feeling like they've been flipping up, upside down. But when the light comes on, everything changes, guys. You start seeing through people, you start seeing through patterns, through all the fake peace, through all the fakeness that you used to settle for. The things that have once satisfied you, now make you feel empty. The rooms that you used to just blend into suddenly feel small. And deep down, you know that you can't go back there anymore, because the awakening opens your eyes. But the becoming, when you start to become, when you start to align with God's purpose for your life, it starts to open your purpose. Becoming isn't peaceful. It is not. Sometimes it is daunting. It is something that, hurts going through this process. It's a fight between who you were and who you're meant to be. You see, your flesh wants that type of comfort, to satisfy those cravings, but your spirit wants truth. And right there in the middle is where God is testing your commitment to your call. He will put you through these trials. He will put you through these situations to see, to observe how you're gonna hold up, because He's not punishing you. He is perfecting you. The destruction wasn't random, if you want to look at it that way. It was a surgical move by the Almighty. He's cutting away everything that you can't carry, every weight that cannot go with you, because it starts to get in the middle of who you're supposed to become. Now, this is where most people fall off. This is where most people don't understand when it comes to being in the season of isolation, when you feel alone, when you feel abandoned, when you feel like everything has just, walked away from you. You guys, people mistake this for, a type of rejection, but they don't realize that God at sometimes has to put you away, has to kind of like hide you, so that way He can refine you. He'll pull you out of these circles that no longer align anymore. He will silence voices that you have once trusted, because where you're going, not everyone can follow you. And in that silence, you learn that loneliness isn't a type of punishment. It's the sound of transformation that is happening in your life. It is going on. He is building you. He is moving you towards a new path, a new direction. And sometimes it takes that season of isolation for it to happen. Now, I want you guys to understand this is a grind. In this season of becoming, this is where the rebuild happens. This is where the rebirth starts to walk. You start moving and walking differently. You start thinking differently. You crave purpose more than validation. You learn that peace isn't passive. It's powered under control. And little by little, you become unrecognizable even to yourself. Becoming doesn't happen overnight. It happens daily, through obedience, through discipline, through surrender. Philippians 1:6 says, "He who began a good work in you will carry it to its completion." You are proof that God finishes what He starts. You were never meant to stay broken. You were being forged through those trials, through those storms, through everything that you have been going through. Because becoming isn't about perfection. It's about progression. It's about walking in the truth that woke you up. You have been broken, and I understand that, but you have been awakened as well. And now you are becoming. Now you are moving into your purpose. Now you are going towards what God has destined to you for your greatness. Don't rush through the process. Respect it, because what God is building in you now requires the strength of every storm that you have survived. You are not who you were, and that's the point of becoming, guys. Stay in that fire and watch God turn every trial, every storm, everything that you have went to. He will turn that into fuel for your greatness, for your purpose, for your calling. If this message spoke to you, don't scroll past it. I want you to sit with it, because maybe this was the reminder that you needed, that you're not lost, that you're becoming. God's still working, you're still standing, and this right here is part of your becoming. Stay grounded, stay faithful. And if you're new here, welcome to Spoken Truth Revival, where we turn pain into purpose and help men rise again. Grace and peace.